arrive in style with this Jeep 2020 Grand Cherokee Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, ECO suspension STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, tires, 265/60R 18 BSW ASLRR, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches Tech Gray Diamond Cut, STD, quick order package 2BH included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, black leather trim bucket seats and rear-wheel drive. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car